Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to show you guys my way of making my scrambled egg.
You know you the ginger. If you know how you dey cause it drop. Shit, you know go one person.
Hi guys, welcome back to Ngo Baby's Kitchen. I noticed some of you are watching my video without subscribing. I know what, but please don't. Today I will be cooking breakfast. Let's get into it. But before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Love you. I'm using this no stem pan. If you want to purchase it, I will link the link down below. I started off by washing the bell pepper and slicing it in thin slices. I also done the same thing with the spring onions. Seasoning with crayfish flavor stock. And some aromatic seasoning, very nice. Time to deep fry the plantain. Meanwhile, time to apply the butter to start frying the vegetable. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding the egg mixture. Now we are officially done.